Hey everybody, my name is Janae Marie, and I wanted to talk to you guys about jealous messy friends. Have you ever had a friend who you thought was your ride or die, your A1 from day one? You know, you've known this person, this girl, whatever, for maybe 5, 10, 15, and up to 20 years. And it seems like y'all are just like tighter than tight. But some things give you a little side eye. So while you may think that this person is your bestie, it might actually be a frenemy. Let's go on. Imagine on the day that you are renewing your vows with your husband, you catch your best friend in the closet screwing your man. Let's say, man, later, this same chick who you thought was your best friend tells you that she's pregnant. And guess who's the father? Your husband. So this whole entire time, he's been carrying on a whole entire secret life behind your back. Let's even take it a step further and go look back. Like, y'all are in college. She's your roommate. Because you think, oh, this is my best friend. But she secretly wants your life. Like, y'all go to a party. She tries to talk to the same dude you're trying to talk to. She leaves you at a party. She took you to the party. Y'all went together. But she just leaves you there by yourself. What happened to we come together? We leave together? No. And then when you get back to your room, you find the guy that you were trying to talk to coming out of her room. She doesn't even care. No, she doesn't care. No. And then the number one way that you can tell that someone is not your bestie is when they secretly want your life. You can't be friends with someone who secretly wants your life, because they try to get the same thing you do. Try to talk to your boyfriend, sleep with your husband, try to get the same career job that you have. Yeah. All in an attempt to try to sabotage you, and when that doesn't work, what do they resort to? Murder. So you have to be careful, because not everyone who you think is your friend is actually your friend. Some people may be fake friends, jealous enemies in disguise. And I say all that to say, because I have a book called Besties that's available right now in both paperback and for your Kindle. So all of this goes on here, and I'm telling you, ladies, and men too, because it can apply to men too, but I'm telling you, not everybody who you think is your bestie is actually your bestie. Okay? The next part I want to move on to is my merch. Yes, so if you didn't know, I've actually launched an online boutique called Janae's Closet. So, Janae's Closet has everything from shoes to clothes for men and women, available in sizes from extra small to XXL and XXL. You have shoes from sizes 5 through 12 for women and 5 through 13 for men. And also we got half sizes too. We have hats, beanies, jewelry, everything. Purses, bags, everything. So let's get to it. So the first thing I want to show you is these shoes. I would love to show you these wonderful shoes. This have my logo on it, just slip-on canvas shoe. I think these are really cute and really cool to see. a little logo inside of the sole of the shoe, and I think that's really cool. In this shoebox that it comes in, so if you order shoes from Janae's Closet, it will come in this wonderful shoebox with the logo on it. Yep. And after we have everything, we have everything. We have everything, like we even have iPhone cases in a variety of colors and sizes and models for your phone. So I have these two iPhone cases, and they'll look just like this once you take it out of the package. So yeah. And also, I know I have another book release coming in December for Sleeping with the Enemy, and I might actually be doing a giveaway. So you might actually have a chance to win a swag bag from me with autographed books and maybe a couple of items from my boutique. So just be on the lookout for that, because I would definitely love to bring you guys that. Okay. And I have this awesome drawstring bag with my hang tag and my logo on there. I just think that it's so cute. This material is made from like really durable cloth material, so not the poly material. And this is zipper on the side here, guys. See, the zipper on the side, and I think that's really, really cute. So you can maybe put in your cell phone or some small headphones. And it also has a zipper or pocket in the inside, and that's pretty deep too. Yeah, so this is pretty deep. It's pretty cool. This drawstring backpack, and it's pretty sturdy too. Really, really sturdy. Last thing I want to show you guys is this jacket. This is a really fly jacket, right? With my logo and stuff on it. Yeah. And it fits really well too, so yeah. So two things I want you guys to check out today is my website, JanaeMarieBooks.com. Please check out not only this book, but I have this is my 4th release, so I have 3 other books that are on my website as well. So definitely check me out if you've never read a book by Janae Marie Books. You will definitely never be disappointed. I'm a great writer, and I'm not just saying that to toot my horn. I actually really am. Writing is my passion. Writing is my life, and I put my heart and soul in it. And I just want to be able to share that experience with you.